Let's see what we got here. Got a Barney bucket. Oh, I see.
What did you call that?
A Barney bucket.
A Barney bucket.
Like Barney bag, but bucket. Oh, yo. It's in there. That counts, right?
Yeah.
Making it tighter don't make it spark more.
That's right.
Wow. But then again, I mean,
Oh, she's cherry. That's a brand new spark plug.
everything you use.
Yeah, definitely not rich.
They didn't even test it, they just put it in there.
That's right. You know what we should do? Is see if it has compression.
Go for it. Let's do it. Alright, plug's disconnected. Yep. I heard that. That's compressive. Wait, so you have a 10mm that you just keep track of?
It's the one I have. All the rest of them are gone. And I had to buy this one this morning. Yeah. Oh, there's bolts in there. One. There's some mud in there. Never pull on wires. Nothing got in there.
I go through these momentary spells where I forget I'm the cameraman.
Yeah.
And I'm like looking and touching stuff. And the camera's like, wait, well, I can't see. So,
Dirty. They're more rusty than dirty. Yeah. There she is. Large fasteners. Okay. The rear swing arm has a 17mm Allen like bolt kind of thing. It's the swing arm pivot point that holds the swing arm in place.
okay.
I don't have a 17mm Allen wrench, so I've got lug nuts that are 17mm, and I've got a pretty long bolt that's the wrong thread pitch, but it has a head on it, and I think that this is probably the best fit that I've got. I'm gonna tack this lug nut onto the bolt and then just use the head of the bolt with some kind of ratchet, impact, I don't know, something. And in theory, if those welds hold up, that should pull that pivot point right out of there. We'll see.
Step 2, don't break. It's working. No way you're pushing that bolt. Oh, okay. Alright, time for weld challenge number 2.
Yeah. Broke at the bolt, not the weld.
Oh, okay.
But that's probably because I severely weakened it by welding it. Probably just need to go and buy a 17mm Allen. I'll use it once.
That's too easy.
Oh no, I'll use it twice. We use the swing arm again.
Dude, I'm convinced you kind of know what you're doing. Oh yeah. Whew.
There she is. She's sloppy. Not terrible. We'll put her to good use. Wow, that's a heavy rear end.
It works.
That's it. Time to pull out the Yami and get her taken apart. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to just get the saws most and chop the steering column in half.
That'd be fun.
Yeah. The spline in the steering column where it goes into the steering wheel hub is super corroded. And I've tried beating this out of there before and couldn't get it, so I'm just gonna hack it off with the saws most. Oh, I've got an idea. What if we use the original throttle cable as the reverse lever? It's already reddish.
I like it.
I think that'd be neat. You know what's really nice?
What's that?
The bolt already fell out, so we don't have to take anything loose.
It's already gone.
Oh yeah, dude. There's our future floorboards. Yeah. What do they say? If it's not cross-threaded, is it really tight?
It's not locked in if it's not cross-threaded.
Right.
I mean, it can come loose. Coming loose is the last thing you want when you're sending something.
Right.
So the cross-threading is, I mean, people kind of make it seem like cross-threading is such a bad thing, but it's really actually an additional mechanical lock for your fasteners.
He's kidding. Don't do that.
Don't cross-thread.
A smart person would have taken the tires off, or a tire off. Okay. I think as little as possible. Okay, there's brake linkage out of the way. What is that? Ah. Why? Why am I using all the extensions in the toolkit all at once? Get on there.
This model was designed with a ever lubricating feature.
Just gotta pretend I never saw that. This one's gross. Whoop. man, those two pieces of metal are fused together.
The sleeve and the bolt?
Yep.
So, you know, I don't know what's wrong, but I just think something's wrong.